Okay, so I tried to solder this kickstand before, and it hold for a little bit, but then very quickly I failed with the soldering, so this kickstand worked a little bit, work a while, and then it stopped. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing, use the hose clamp to clamp it down, and hopefully that's it. So I'll show you. So using the hose clamp to clamp this onto the frame there. Okay, all right, so let me show you what I'm gonna be doing here. Basically, first thing I'm gonna have this hose clamp go through like this. Actually, no, the other way around. Okay, and then I'm gonna have this kickstand over there like so, and now my only thing to do is just to clamp this down, just push this in there, so that's what I'm going to be doing here. Okay, so let me do this, and there you go. There's a screwdriver. There you go. Now it's on. I'm just gonna position this kickstand in the position I want, and then just tighten this hose clamp. Not sure why I can't lock this in, but anyway, I'm gonna use a plier to lock this in. Okay, so I had to use the wrench to tighten this hose clamp to clamp down this kickstand, and you can see now it works beautifully now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this bicycle around so you can see how the kickstand is functioning. Oh. Okay. There you go. See that? So now, okay. And you can see that kickstand hose clamp in there. So there you go. No welding, no drilling, just a hose clamp. Clamp that onto the frame, and that's it. Okay, there you have it. Hose clamp.